Right now I'm recording in 1080p. The color looks damn punchy and it looks really stabilized. Tell me what you guys think about it and drop me a comment down below. Yeah, the color is really punchy from the screen. Maybe it's the AMOLED screen. I'm not sure. But do tell me what you guys think and drop me a comment down below. Let's try to focus. Oh my god, it's really windy. Is it focusing? Actually it is. Wow, not bad. Cool. Let's try the other camera lens, and you can't really switch the camera lenses when you're in video format, so do keep in mind. And as is now, I'm shooting in wide angle. So this is an ultra wide angle. As you can see, I'm not sure how stabilized it is. It looks pretty stabilized from here. So do drop me a comment down below. Video quality seems good too. Not bad. The sun, oh my god, it's so bright. I'm dead. Yeah. Dynamic range, wow, nice. And now this is in telephoto. It looks a bit disoriented a little bit, but you know, it looks great too. Okay, stabilization, I'm not sure as I'm trying to make a walk somewhere here and there. Okay, I'm gonna try. I'm just gonna try and zoom out. Oh, you can, but you can't go to the ultra wide. But this isn't recording in 1080p, so yeah. I'm gonna switch to 4K now. So now this is recording in 4K. So this is the regular lens, non-zoom, and I'm recording in 60 frames per second. Actually 30 frames per second. You can record it 1080p with 60 frames or 4K 60. So yeah, colors are real punchy, but stabilization is a bit off as I'm walking. Focus are good. Dynamic ranges are good. So let's try zooming to the front. Okay, this is the 2x zoom. Checking out this video. So yeah. Now I'm on ultra wide. It looks really slow on the screen. I feel like it's like there's a shutter lag thing going on the screen. It's really slow. Stabilization, I'm not so sure. I can't tell as I'm gonna make a walk. And wait, let me do a focus check on. Okay. Color are real punchy, really punchy. Sorry for the wind noise because I don't attach any microphone, so you guys can check out the microphone as well. But yeah. Okay.